How to convert video in the document file on the iPhone. Let me explain it all and let's get started. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, it depends on what you mean, but the videos captured on your iPhone will most definitely be in a certain format. So you can always just open up the Photos app, locate your videos, and you can swipe up on it to see the format. Most likely it's going to be something like the MP4, right, or whatever, but you'll be able to see it right there. It might be HEIC, depends on how you captured it. So this is the file format of your video. But if you want to convert it to something else, you need to use a converter app or website. So you can, for example, download this app which is called iConverter, and you can basically use it to convert it to a different type, right? So it applies for multiple different things. Like there are so many different editors and whatnot, but you can always just click on the plus button, import stuff from your gallery like this. So you're gonna pick a video and you will have the ability to see in which format it is and convert it to something else. So you can see the current format is MP4, but I can switch it to something else, right? And this is the ability that we have right now. So you can switch it and convert it to whichever other option you have in here. But as I said, there are more like services which get the job done. You can as well go to the Safari web browser and just type in a video converter or type in the specific format you want to convert it to. And there are also tools online which will help you out with that. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. If not, just please explain what you mean more by like the document file for videos, and I'll most definitely make an updated video about it. But thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing so you do not miss anything, and I'll talk to you later.